Hi, my name is Ben, and I'm a rising sophomore at Regis High School. For my third and final milestone at BlueStamp, I had to construct the car and the glove and program the receiving Arduino to interpret the characters sent and perform the appropriate function. So I 3D designed on CAD. Tinkercad is an online program that I used to make this car chassis, and it measures approximately 5 inches by 8 inches and is 1¼ inches high. And mounted on the bottom of the front, as you can see here, there's a caster wheel to provide stability and support for the entire car. On top of that, I used epoxy to put on a servo, which controls the contraction of the claw, contraction and expansion of it. And then on the back here, as you can see, I have two 6-volt high torque motors. But I had a bunch of problems coming up with these because I ran through two other pairs of motors that were each lower voltage and lower torque, so they were not able to physically move the car itself. Then I switched to these, and these motors worked. I was glad about that. And so the motors work with digital input, where you set each pin to either high or low, and that's how they know whether to turn forwards or backwards. But on the right motor here, I have wired it to an analog pin on the Arduino. But my way to compensate that was to almost mimic a digital input using the analog pins by, rather than saying high or low, I said 1023 or 0, and in that way it knew which direction to turn. Then for the servo itself, the way I coded that was by using increments of 30 for it to turn every time the loop repeated itself and was rerun in the code. I had to set minimum and maximum values so that it wouldn't turn past its limit, because a servo has a limited range of movement, otherwise it'll break. And once I did that, it's basically finished product here. Thank you.